Today I'm going to show you how to draw an angry dog. I'm starting out with the overall shapes of the dog to see how I'm going to draw it before I make any mistakes, or if I do make mistakes, so that I can correct it more easily. Doing the paws after I finish the basic shape of the leg, adding some details, the ears, then the face, like the face shape. And because your dog is angry that you're drawing, you have to add some face expression to that, like angry eyes, maybe open mouth. The dog, because it's angry, it's showing its teeth, and to make its mouth look scarier and larger, and adding some emphasizing lines to really show that it's barking and it's angry. Then after finishing the sketch, I'm doing the line art, and you can also emphasize the angriness of the dog by adding the fur. After having the sketch erased, I'm going to do the coloring, which is going to be a basic white dog with brown spots. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more drawing videos.